Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Eero Pro not connecting to internet. So here's a guide for your ISP modem and how can you set up this easily. Switch 1, the 3-minute power cycle. Unplug the power cord from both the modem and the primary gateway Eero Pro. Wait for at least 3 minutes to allow the modem to clear its cache. Plug the modem back in first and wait for solid connection light. Plug the Eero Pro back in and wait for a solid white LED. Switch to physical cable and port check. Unplug and securely replug the Ethernet cable connecting the modem to the Eero. Ensure the cable is plugged into the WAN or Internet port on the Eero. Swap the Ethernet cable with a non-working Cat5e or Cat6 cable. Remove any intermediate network switches connecting the modem directly to the Eero. Fix the ISP bridge mode configuration. Log into your ISP provided modem or router and activate your bridge mode or IP pass-through to avoid double NAT. Test the connection by plugging a laptop directly into the modem to verify the service. Configure VLAN tagging or PPPoE in the Eero app under Settings and then go to Advanced. Select ISP settings if required by your provider. Fix for Eero Soft Reset. Locate the reset button on the bottom or back of the Eero Pro device. Press and hold the button for 7 seconds until the LED flashes yellow. Release the button immediately to avoid a full factory reset. Wait for the Eero to reboot and display a solid white light. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.